Okay, next is posting your proof as a screenshot or posting any screenshots. This will help you. I screenshot things all the time, and you're going to see evidence of that in a second. I did a new randomizer because I didn't think to keep the old one open. I use what is called a snipping tool for my screenshots. And basically that means when I take a screenshot, it's already the size and shape that I want it. And almost all PCs now have a screen snipping tool built in, and you just don't even know it. Um, on the search bar at the bottom, which I couldn't include in the square, but here I've launched it, I just start typing the words snipping tool, and the program pops up. If this doesn't work for you, just let me know and I'll show you how I do it with Paint. So I just launch my snipping tool and this little box appears in the middle of the screen, and I'm going to create a new snip. So I'm going to click here and it grays out my entire screen. Don't panic about that. Your cursor will become this plus sign or a plus sign shape. I'm honestly not sure if that's visible in the video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag. So I'm going to left click and hold my mouse, and then I'm going to drag it over the picture that I want to be my screenshot. So obviously I want it to be the image proof of the results. When I got what I want highlighted, I let go, and it pops up into its own window. Ta-da! It's fabulous. And I just save it, and I'm going to save it as randomizer. This is my second take, and so I've already now I have that created. I am going to leave randomizer.org and I'm going to go to postimages.org. This is the one that works the best with Hex. Post Images, it's very straightforward. I hope you're using it. This is Post Images, and make sure you put the S on there on Post Images. We're not going to resize the image. We don't want it to expire. We're just going to go straight to choosing the images. I saved mine to pictures. You might save yours to screenshots. It's really your preference. I've got a lot of pictures. Let's see, randomizer. I gotta learn my alphabet. There we go. Randomizer's right here. So I'm just gonna double click it, and it's gonna automatically take me to, here's a small preview of it. We don't need an account. I want this direct link. So I'm gonna highlight it. I can either right click and copy or hit the copy button. Now I'm going to take it over to Hex, and then any Hex thread, this is my coding thread, so I just hit the image button, click, Control V to paste, or right click to paste, whichever works best for you, and then click the image button again. Now I have an image tag. You can preview it. So it worked, it's there, and then you can post it or type whatever text you want to around it, and you have proof of your results for